Meaning of George Burns.
George Burns.
George Burns.
George Burns.
George Burns. George Burns was an American comedian, actor, singer, and writer who lived from 1896 to 1996. He started in vaudeville, and then transitioned to film, radio, and television. He was known for his dry wit, cigar smoking, and his gentle, self-deprecating humor. Burns won an Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor at the age of 80, and continued to make appearances on television until his death at the age of 100. His legacy continues to inspire and influence comedians and performers today. Overall, George Burns was a beloved and influential figure in American entertainment history.